Hi everyone, it is Jan here. I just wanted to make a quick introduction because I am in a collaboration today. You will have just watched Kathleen's piece on her channel, and now I am up next, and after me is Becky, so please go to Becky after this video, and there will be a playlist in my description where you can follow all the videos from this collaboration. So a bunch of Kathleen's Patreons have joined in on this collaboration, and the ones of us that actually have a YouTube channel have decided to do this premiere collab with Kathleen. So I hope that you enjoy. I will be showing this painting. Well, it's heavy, it's big. See if I can show a little glare in it. I don't know. So yeah, it dried a little. Well, I still love it, but it didn't dry exactly how I had hoped. It looked really cool when it was still wet, but it moved a little because it was a little bit uneven. But yeah, I'm still happy with the outcome. No more from me here. Just remember to go to Becky's channel after, and then follow all the other videos in this collaboration. I hope that you enjoy. Have fun. Bye. Hi everyone, it is Jan here from NC Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am working in a collaboration today with the wonderful Kathleen Osmore and all her Patreons. So we were given a task, or we agreed to do a collaboration where the color scheme was given to us by my wonderful friend Britta, and so that was all purples, and we could add some metallics and black and white. I have taken a little artistic liberty and added an extra color that is not purple or violet, but this green one, as you can see. But I just wanted a little contrast in there, so yeah. I'll just quickly run through the colors. My base coat is this one. It is the Americana Decor, or DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in the Amethyst. And then I have a Windsor Newton Galery Acrylics Windsor Violet. So this one, can you see it? I don't know if it shows that well. And then I have the TLP Violet Rain. Then I have a Pebeo Studio Violet Blue Iridescent. Then I have this gold, which is a mix of, I can't do that, there we go. Iridescent Gold Fine and Iridescent Gold Deep Fine. It's mostly the deep. I just added a little of the fine to just lighten it up a little bit. Then I have the Pewter from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And I have a golden light green, which was given to me by Kathleen, actually, I think in May last year. A very thick paint. It might be that it's been sitting in this little container for so long, but it was still good, so putting that in. And then last but not least, we have this golden fluid again, Kathleen's favorite, Iridescent Pearl. I forgot to say, I add a little of the Iridescent Pearl to the Pewter just to lighten it up a little bit. And yeah, I'll be doing a swipe on this 30 by 90 centimeter canvas. It's a gallery wrap canvas with deep edges, and I'll just get started to put on some music, and then I'll come back to you when I'm done. Enjoy. I forgot to say, I will be swiping with wet paper towels, and I'll be using Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed with Australian Floetrol. All the paints have been mixed with American Floetrol, 1 part American Floetrol, half a part of Liquitex pouring medium, and a good squirt of GAG 800. So that's been mixed in the paints, and roughly 1 part paint and 3.5 parts of the mix of the pouring medium. And then I've added water to the thicker paints, so the 2 paints that needed water. Now I'll get to painting. So here's the wet result. It's a little hard to show you. There's a lot of glare because it's wet, of course, but I really love the way that the amethyst is reacting here. Kind of taking over the whole bottom part. I made a similar swipe in gray, metallic silver, and it's actually one of my favorite pieces, so I was attempting to make something similar but in these purple colors instead. But yeah, I really love it, especially like how this creates these boulder cells in the middle line. So I am pleased. I'm hoping the dried result will be just as good. So I'll come back to you with the dried results. Just remember, after me is Becky S. I will remind you again on the dried result, but don't forget to go check out her channel and also everybody else's in this collaboration. I'll be back with the dried result. And here we have the dry result. It's very hard for me to fit it all in without reaching way up. As I said in the intro, I like the outcome. It did not quite dry the way that I wanted it to, but I do like this black line that's going through, and I guess I had wanted it to be a little wider, but it's pretty cool the way that it came out. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it, to be honest. I think that once it has gotten a coat of varnish, I will give it a coat of glossy varnish and then top that with a satin varnish. And then the colors are gonna stand out a little more. But all in all, yeah, I'm very happy with this. And I hope that you enjoyed. Remember to go to Becky's channel next. And thank you for being here. You have a wonderful day. Bye.